Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, Afar, and Tigray region is that viewers, in the previous video, I had informed you that heavy war is going on between Ethiopian National Defense Force, its allies, and Tigray Defense Force on the Afar Tigray border. And it was also confirmed by Tigray Defense Force that Tigray Defense Force has taken full control of the Abala located on the Afar Tigray border. But now the talk has gone too far. Reports are being received and heavy war between Ethiopian National Defense Force, its allies, and Tigray Defense Force is currently underway in Birhale. While Tigray Defense Force soldiers have also entered Afar Zone 2. At the moment, Tigray Defense Force soldiers are busy trying to secure the Tigray border in order to prevent the Ethiopian National Defense Force, its allies, from entering the Tigray region from Afar border. And for this purpose, Tigray Defense Force soldiers were also present in Afar region before. And the Tigray border was safe when Tigray Defense Force present in Afar region. But as soon as Tigray Defense Force deployed all its soldiers from Afar region to Amhara region, Ethiopian National Defense Force along with his allies tried to enter the Tigray region from Afar border. But Tigray Defense Force has claimed that Tigray Defense Force has won major victories against Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies on the Afar Tigray border. It has been claimed that Tigray Defense Force has gained full control over the Abala and has also gained control over many heavy weapons of Ethiopian National Defense Force and many Ethiopian National Defense Force captured. While now Tigray Defense Force has entered in Afar Zone 2. And there are reports of heavy fighting at this time. Viewers, Ethiopian National Defense Force is now appearing to fail in front of Tigray Defense Force on every front, because several attacks were carried out by Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies on Voldia, Marsa, and Kobo. But all of the attacks proved unsuccessful. Then the last option held by Ethiopian National Defense Force was also adopted. Means heavy air strikes carried out by Ethiopian Air Force on Voldia, Kobo and Marsa. But Ethiopian National Defense Force did not get any result. And now another attempt was made to enter in the Tigray region from the Afar border. But this attempt also proved unsuccessful. Rather, according to Tigray Defense Force soldiers defended themselves in the attack and pushed the Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies back into the Afar region. And now Tigray Defense Force soldiers have entered the Afar region. Viewers, the special forces of the Somali regional state on their return from the Amhara region have been welcomed on the outskirts of Jigjiga. Somali troops returning from fighting in northern Ethiopia have today arrived in the Somali region on the outskirts of Jigjiga for a welcome ceremony. And top officials of the Somali regional state attended the welcoming of the troops returning from the fighting in northern Ethiopia. Viewers, according to the latest reports, today the fighting in northern Ethiopia has increased and the war has increased in new areas. The Tigray Defense Force said that they have taken steps earlier today. And the strongest war is going on right now in the north of the city of Volodesi region. There are many reports of heavy fighting in the north of Volodesi and claim that heavy weapons used from both sides, and also in Gondar region there is a constant war going on in the past 2 months. About it, I also inform you in yesterday's video. So viewers, so far the latest update. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.